I'll show you how to roll your bird. You ain't ready for this beat drop. Yeah. I ate a Big Mac, cause you ain't hit that. Just go sit back and told him Diddy did that. Hey, do you know how to roll your bird? Because this is how you roll your bird. Rowing my bird with much less to learn. Finding where to yearn without an urn. So you see these birds where they don't sing, cause I hit that ring, ring, ring. Bro, what you mean? Boy, that ain't me. All I can see is 3 B's, but they don't. Bro. My bad. I was just looking where to go.
Hey, I always thought when a pelican gets pregnant, does another pelican bring the baby? I never thought about that. I think about it. If a fridge has a diet, then what does that make the fridge? I never really thought I'd be in a collaboration with someone named Carson. His name's really ass. I play Fortnite every day. Hello neighbor on my wall. Jack Sparrow breaking into my wall. My cat's friend sleeping on the bed. Listening to Fortnite sped. I got a tape measurement in my room. I'll use it to measure something real quick. It's just tape. I also really like the Fortnite Jack Sparrow, so I think he did a good job with it. I got a spoon, trash bag, and Italian fat-free sauce in this plastic cup I got. I'm sorry that I was quiet during those couple seconds. You already know that I'm too good. I'm better than Carson, Westview Elementary. That's where my cat used to go. Hey, gamers don't die, they respawn. Fortnite, battery low, you have 20% battery left. Oh. Carson, hey. I'm gonna turn on my heater. Hang on, let me just plug it in real quick. This is how you grow your bird. You get a charger cable and you plug it into the wall. The charger cable then... I got a Sprite bottle cap. I use that to row my bird. Sonic the Hedgehog, rowing my bird. Mario, rowing my bird. Captain Crunch, rowing my bird. Tony the Tiger, rowing my bird. Pink Panther, rowing my bird. Fruit Loops, Pelican, rowing my bird. Zombie, rowing my bird. Book, rowing my bird. I don't know why I said the same thing, rowing my bird. I also really like whenever we play Fortnite games together, whenever the whenever the Jack Sparrow skin comes, because Jack Sparrow's one of my favorite movie characters.
Pow! Roll your bird. That's the word. Something you never heard. Can't get more absurd. Iron Diet's a nerd. Fortnite. Bird is the word. Roll your bird. That's the word. Something you never heard. Can't get more absurd. Iron Diet's a nerd. Fortnite. Bird is the word. Roll your bird, that's the word. Something you never heard. Can't get more absurd. Iron Diet's a nerd. Fortnite. Bird is the word. Yo, I got myself some Sour Patch Kids. I ain't saying nothing else cause of all of it. Whoa! Run that line back right now. Well, I got myself some Sour Patch Kids. I ain't saying nothing else, cause that's all that there is. I ain't stuttering at all. I say that cause I know ball. I'm in the Great Land Hall. I'm about to fall. Y'all. Yo, I'm about to make this quick call. Y'all. Hey, yo. Yeah, what up, man? Yeah, I just want a large pepperoni pizza real quick. Yeah. Yeah. Extra cheese, extra cheese. Nah, nothing else. Bye. Well, that's one quick call. And I was get myself some pizza, man. But I ain't no pizza, man. But they do call me Pizza Sam. But I do got a pizza can. My dog ran because he is a homosexual. And a repercussionist. Miss. Row your bird. That's the word. Something you never heard. Can't get more absurd. Iron Diet's a nerd. Fortnite. Bird is the word. Yo, this the last verse. No more wars coerce. More than rehearse the slurs of yours. So as its last verse continue, I'ma hit you with a bass drop you never heard. I lied. Word is like 67 times, but no telling when it's gonna stop. These lines getting hot. I'm not about to get caught, you bot. So let's keep going. No more mowing, or moaning, or groaning. And let's say our farewells, because there's no one else that can top the king, who didn't come out the ring, and he just sing. Man. Row your bird, that's the word. Something you never heard. Can't get more absurd. Iron Diet's a nerd. Fortnite. Bird is the word.